Make this banana face mask at home to remove wrinkles and fine lines in the aging of your skin is the cause of your issue. Bananas are a wonder fruit for your skin because they are full of skin-friendly nutrients. It contains several vitamins and nutrients such as carotene, vitamins A, B, B1, C, and E, which help to make your skin look radiant by providing moisture throughout the day while fighting off wrinkles and fine lines. The potassium found in bananas moisturizes dehydrated skin cells, giving out that youthful glow all we want without having any negative side effects from harsh chemicals most beauty products contain nowadays. Zinc present in bananas works wonders when it comes to combating acne due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, bananas are also packed with amino acids that nourish and moisturize the skin, fading dark spots and reducing dryness and restoring suppleness. Add 2 teaspoons of yogurt to a bowl and mash 1/4 of a ripe banana in it. Apply this mixture thin, uniform layer to the face and neck. Leave it for about 25 minutes to pass before rinsing it with warm water. Yogurt has antioxidant properties that combat free radicals and help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and creases. It also consists of lactic acid, which helps to even out skin tone and reduces pores. The banana and yogurt mixture increases collagen formation and prevents premature skin aging. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.